help at the ATM.
Excuse me, do you need help with the ATM?
Yes, please. I do not use ATM machines very often.
No problem, I can help you.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous.
It is okay. The machine is easy to use.
I hope so.
First, put your card into the machine.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Now the screen is asking for my PIN number.
Okay, please type your PIN carefully.
All right, done.
Great. Now choose the language.
I will choose English.
Good choice.
Now I see many options on the screen.
Press Withdraw Money.
Okay, I pressed it.
Now select your account.
I only have one account.
Then press Checking Account.
All right.
Now enter the amount you want.
I want $100.
Okay, type 100.
Done.
Now press the green button.
Oh, the machine is making noise.
Yes, your money is coming out now.
Oh, good. I can see the cash.
Please take your money and your card.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome.
I was worried at first.
You did very well.
Next time, I think I can do it alone.
Of course, you learned very fast.
Thank you again.
Anytime.
Coffee trouble at work.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You look busy today.
Yes, we have many customers this morning.
I just finished my first meeting.
Was it a long meeting?
Yes, very long.
You look tired.
I need coffee right now.
The coffee machine is ready.
Great, I will make 1 cup.
Be careful, the floor is a little wet.
Okay, I will walk slowly.
Did you add sugar already?
Yes, but I think I added too much.
Maybe you need extra energy today.
Maybe you are right.
Oh, someone is calling me.
All right.
I need to take these papers to the office.
Okay, I will move out of the way.
Thank you.
Oh no!
What happened?
I spilled my coffee.
Oh, the coffee is on my shirt.
I am so sorry.
It is okay. Accidents happen.
I feel really bad.
Do not worry too much.
Here, please use these tissues.
Thank you.
Is your shirt okay?
Yes, it is only a little wet.
I should be more careful next time.
Maybe you need less coffee.
Maybe you are right.
It is okay. I am not angry.
Thank you for understanding.
Conversation at home.
Today was a long day.
Yes, I feel very tired too.
Work was very busy.
My office was busy all day.
Did you finish your tasks?
Yes, but it took many hours.
I understand.
What did you do after work?
I went to the grocery store.
Oh, did you buy dinner?
Yes, I bought chicken and rice.
That sounds good.
Did you cook anything today?
No, I came home late.
Then we can eat together.
That is a great idea.
I also bought some juice.
Nice. I am really thirsty.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did anything interesting happen today?
Yes, I saw an old friend near my office.
Really?
Yes, we talked for a few minutes.
That sounds nice.
What about your day?
My manager gave me a new project.
Wow. Are you excited?
A little excited and a little nervous.
I think you will do great.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You always work very hard.
I try my best every day.
That is why people trust you.
Thank you for saying that.
Now let's enjoy dinner and relax.
Yes, that sounds perfect. Confused at the bus stop.
Excuse me, are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, but I think I am lost.
Where do you need to go?
I need to go to Green Street.
Oh, I know that place.
Really?
Yes, you need bus number 12.
Oh no, I think I missed it.
Do not worry, another bus will come soon.
That is good.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I usually take a taxi.
The bus system can be confusing at first.
Yes, there are so many bus numbers.
That is true.
How often does bus number 12 come?
Usually every 15 minutes.
Okay, that is not too bad.
Do you work near Green Street?
Yes, my office is near the bank.
Oh, I know that area very well.
That is nice.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Really?
Yes, but let me check the number first.
Okay,
Yes, this is bus number 12.
great.
You should enter from the front door.
All right.
Do you have a bus card?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Just tap it near the machine.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
I was very confused before.
Now you know what to do next time.
Yes, I feel much more confident now. Talking about yourself.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, nice. Which city?
I am from Toronto.
That is a beautiful city.
Thank you. What about you?
I am from Chicago.
Really? I want to visit Chicago someday.
You should. It is very interesting.
What do you do for work?
I work in a technology company.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I enjoy my job.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like playing basketball.
Oh, nice. Do you play every week?
Yes, usually on weekends.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft pop music.
Nice. I listen to pop music too.
Maybe we like the same songs.
Maybe.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my brother.
Oh, that is nice.
What about you?
I live with my cousin.
Do you enjoy living there?
Yes, we have a good time together.
That is great.
It was really nice talking with you.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation too.